Hello friends, welcome to Computer Science Tutorial channel. My name is Dr. Chandrakant Sharma. As per my audience request, I come with a new video on the topic of how to change app or project name in React Native. This is our demo app or project. After some time, I observed that my app name should be CST instead of demo. Changing the app or project name in React Native seemed to be a difficult task as we have to make changes in our entire project, some configuration files, as well as Android and iOS folder. Today I will explain you how to change the app name or project name with simple and very easy steps. First of all, we have to run our demo app to ensure that it does not have any kind of bug. For this, we have to start emulator. Emulator-avd space my avd and press the enter. Now we have to run our demo app React Native space run dash Android and press the enter key. So this is the output of our demo app. I minimize this app, and this app is installed with the display title demo. Now I will explain you how to change project name as CST and display name as Computer Science Tutorial. For this, you have to close your project in Visual Studio Code. For this, we have to close our emulator and our project also. Our project is stored into the C drive. Open the C drive, then users, go to your project location. So this is my demo app. Into the first step, we have to create a new folder with project name. As I explained you earlier, I want to change my demo app as Computer Science Tutorial CST. For this, we have to create a new folder with the name CST. Into the next step, we have to copy all the files from demo folder and paste it into the CST folder. After this, we have to close the folder. Into the next step, we have to open our project in Visual Studio Code. Click on File menu, then Open Folder. Our project name is Computer Science Tutorial CST. Select the folder and click on Select Folder button. Open the package.json file and change the project name here, Computer Science Tutorial. Save the file and close it. Open the package lock.json file if exists in your project. Change the project name CST. Save the file and close it. Open the app.json file. Change the project name and also change the display name here. After this, save the file and close it. In next step, we have to delete Android and iOS folder. For this, we have to select both folder and press the delete key from your keyboard. In next step, we have to run React Native eject command to regenerate iOS and Android folder. For this, we have to type react-native space eject. This command automatically generate iOS and Android folder. Here you can see that Android and iOS folder will automatically generate. Into the next step, we have to link external libraries. For this, we have to type following command react native space link. It will automatically linking external library with our project. Now we have to test our app. For this, we have to start emulator. For this, click on terminal, then split terminal. Type the following command to launch the emulator. Emulator space dash avd space avd name my avd and press the enter key. Type the following command to run React Native app react dash native space run dash Android and press the enter key. Minimize the Node.js window. So this is the output of our app. Now I minimize my app. Now you can see that our app is installed with a different title, computer science tutorial. In this video, we have learned how to change project name or display name in React Native. If you have any kind of query, write your query into the comment section. Thank you for watching my video.